Hi, I'm Thomas Bowling with Mitutoyo, sales rep here in the Southeast, and today we're going to take a look at the Mitutoyo HR-530 hardness tester. This is the standard 530, which has a 250 millimeter part range. We also have the 530L that can handle up to 395 millimeter height of part. What makes this hardness tester unique is it is a load cell tester. So unlike other Mitutoyo hardness testers, there's no need to adjust the free hanging weights in the back of the machine. The load force is monitored continuously through our load cell. This hardness tester, another advantage of it is the ability to change the parameter that you're testing. In this, we're going from HRA to HRC. And what it does is it automatically updates the testing parameters per the ASTM standard. So for HRC, it's a diamond indenter and 150 kilogram load force. And to take a test, it's as simple as bringing the spindle up to the part. So in this test, now it's applying the preload, then we'll apply the measurement load, and once that's complete, it will give us the results of the hardness test. And it's as simple as that. There's your result. This hardness tester for the base price does include Mitutoyo field service technician installation and A2LA accredited calibration. And for some finer details of this system, I'm going to turn it over to my colleague, Donna Booth.
Hi, yes, I would like to go over some of the features of the HR-530 hardness testers. For instance, we do have settings to where you can actually set different kind of display settings. Our first one is actually the list view, where you have different readings that will be listed in this size and actually be doing a range here. If we go to number 2 setting, for the display, you'll actually see what we call the simple mode, where you're just going to see the test and the minimum of what we have for the testing. So on the third one that we have here is actually going to be what we call our standard. So you're going to have the scale type here, the indenter type, which is diamond, and then the load, which is 60. So we do have different displays that you can set up and program through different settings. So the second feature I wanted to show you is a continuous measurement function. So we press the button, we'll take the measurement, and once you engage, it has an automatic break and it will continue through and give you the results from the test that it's doing. So if you have multiple parts that have the same kind of dimension, you could actually run this continuous test and not have to move the spindle up and down. It will automatically do it for you. If you would like further information on the Mitutoyo HR-530 hardness tester, please contact crossco.com/Mitutoyo, and we'll be happy to assist you.